Kalgoorlie residents have been rattled awake early this morning as a 3.4 magnitude earthquake shook the goldfields. Locals telling Nine News it could have been much worse. Mining operations paused as a precaution.
Shaken awake with an almighty bang. Kalgoorlie about 5:30 this morning.
I was woken up early this morning with the house shaking. Instantly knew it was an earthquake.
The 3.4 magnitude quake putting cracks in walls and giving the town a good dusting.
Minor reports coming through of movement of paintings on walls. There's been some video footage that's been posted up of cameras shaking and seeing a little bit of an impact there.
Business owners bracing for the worst.
My staff walked in this morning and found things had fallen off the shelves in the shop. Thankfully, there was nothing damaged.
But a collective sigh of relief. It was nothing like the magnitude 5, which devastated the town in 2010.
Nothing like that, but this one could have been a lot worse.
Zero reports of injuries or major damage, but the town's underground mine, Mount Charlotte, has been closed as a precaution. Yvonne Ardley, Nine News.